work in education at the museum. Today, we're going to be making a landscape collage, perfect for giving as a gift. You'll need old magazines, scissors, glue stick, and a small box, like a jewelry box. You could also use a small chunk of wood or a small piece of cardboard. To start, let's look at some landscape paintings in the museum's collection. What is a landscape painting? One where the main focus or subject matter is the land. Here, Robert S. Duncanson paints Minneopa Falls, a real place in Minnesota. We can find trees, waterfalls, the sky, and rocks in this painting. These could be fun things to include in your artwork. Here, Rigaud Benoit has painted a scene on the coast of Haiti. He's included land, water, sky, an island, as well as things like people and boats. Feel free to add some small details like this to your landscape if you want. If a main focus or subject matter of an artwork is water or the sea, it's called a seascape. Okay, let's start getting our materials together. First, I like to tear pages from my magazines. I tore out anything with nature in it, but also pages that had lots of blues and greens, plus pages of other colors that looked interesting. Once I have all my pages, I'll cut pictures and colors from them and then organize them by category. Here, I've arranged trees, rocks, and sections of color, greens that I can use for grass, and blues that I can use for sky or water, plus some other colors I might cut up into something. Next, start playing around with your images and moving them around. What time of year will it be in your landscape? Fall? Here, John Stuart Curry captures fall on a Wisconsin farm using lots of oranges and browns. Winter? Here, Ernest Lawson has painted a winter scene of a country lane covered in snow and has used lots of whites and grayed out tones. Start gluing down your pictures. You can use either side of your box or make a scene on both sides. Start with the background, the parts of the landscape that are furthest from you. Then the middle ground. Then the foreground, the parts that are closest to you. Keep adding more landscape details. When you're finished, you can keep it as is, or add a tie to turn it into an ornament. Thanks for joining me, and let us know what you make.